Be honest, when you hear the word crochet, do you immediately picture your grandma dusty Coach dollies or neon colored toilet paper covers for 1982? If so, prepare to have your mind completely change. Welcome back, design lovers. Today we are diving into one of the fastest growing interior design trend that is quietly taking over Pinterest and Instagram. We are talking about modern high texture luxury crochet wall art. If you have been looking for that one missing piece to turn your room from basic to boutique hotel vibe, you are in the right place. And stick around until the end because I am going to show you exactly where you can grab these exact pieces to level up your space today. First up, let's talk about the ultimate crowd pleaser, modern boho. The secret to a space that feels expensive isn't color. Its texture. Flat prints on a wall can sometimes feel cold, but look at how these cream and oatmeal fiber pieces instantly soften the room. Notice the detail here, the use of natural driftwood branches as dull, bright, the outside, inside, or cascading fringes, added movement every time a breeze hits. It's organic, it's earthy, and it's bringing a cozy, grounded energy to a bedroom or a living room. If your style leans towards mid-century, modern Scandinavian, or classic bohemian, a textured statement piece like this is your holy grail. Now, if you love color but you want to keep things sophisticated, look at the abstract yarn landscape. Yes, this is entirely crochet. By mixing different yarn weight from chunky bolage to sleek cotton pieces, they are literally pop off the wall in 3D. Imagine walking up the sunburn over terracotta mountains or having a calm sage green forest abstract hanging right above your home office desk. It's a brilliant alternative to traditional paintings. It gives you all the vibrant color of canvas print, but with a warm tactile depth that makes people want to walk up and touch it. It's art you can feel. But maybe your style is a bit more playful. Crochet is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for bold, geometric statement or whimsical spaces. Check out these retro 70s inspired wavy wall hanging. The bold mustard, burnt orange, and avocado green hues are perfect for adding a pop of personality to a gallery wall. And for the little ones, look at these nursery step up. Traditional framed art with glasses can be a safety hazard over a crib. Crochet wall decor like these 3D floral arrangements or fluffy cloud hangings offers the perfect solution. It's soft, entirely safe, acoustically dampens the room for better naps, and adds an undeniable sweet handmade charm that store-bought plastic decor just can't match. The real magic of these pieces, no two are ever exactly alike. In a world full of mass-produced cookie-cutter home decor from big box store, choosing handmade fiber art means choosing a story. Every single loop, knot, and stitch in these designs represent hours of meticulous craftsmanship. These are made